This little drawing exercise is going to be about why are red algae in the Rhodophyta, in the Archaeplastida, red. In it, just for context, red algae are typically found in some of the deepest habitats of the algal environment. So I'm just going to kind of sketch in my red alga down here. Just branch it and branch it and branch it a third time, and color just a little bit. So there's our red alga down there. So red algae are known for being some of the deeper algae that grow, and the question is why, and it has to do with physics. So you know that algae photosynthesize, so they require light to penetrate through the water. And it turns that because photons of light have both act as a wave and a particle, they have both mass and they have wave-like function, they have energy associated with them, different media affect them differently. So light travels differently through air than it does through water, okay? So light, typically we can say light is h nu, where that's frequency times wavelength, and we know if we take visible light and we break it down, Roy G Biv, so we've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, which is dark blue, and violet. Okay. So red light has, if we're going to compare energy, red light has relatively low energy compared with violet light, which has high energy. And the wavelength is inversely correlated with that. So red light has long wavelength versus violet light, which has short wavelength. Okay, so what does that have to do with red algae? So when light hits water, photons of light are going to travel through that medium, but water is a lot harder to get through than air. And because of that, those lower energy photons are going to be filtered out higher in the water column. So the deeper we go, the more the wavelengths of light are going to get filtered out. Till by the time we get down to where the red algae is, there's only these higher energy forms of light left to allow for photosynthesis. So remember that a green leaf is green because it is reflecting every color of light. It's absorbing every color of light except green. It's reflecting it and transmitting it. So with the red algae, they are not absorbing red light because red light can't penetrate. So they are essentially doing the same thing that green plants do, only the only light that they're able to absorb are these higher energy lights, which means they reflect and transmit these lower energy forms of light. So that's why red algae are red, because that's the light because that red light never gets down here, so they're not able to absorb red light. They have to reflect it.